and welcome to this very special series, Gaon Badhe to Desh Badhe. NABARD, as part of celebrating the completion of its 3 decades of dedicated services to rural India, has instituted the NABARD Awards for Rural Innovation. These awards recognize and reward those innovators who've had a significant impact on improving the quality of life of those living in villages. The awards received an overwhelming response of over 1,400 entries from across India, out of which the top 30 innovations were shortlisted by an esteemed jury led by Union Minister for Rural Development, Jairam Ramesh. Out of these, the top 12 innovations were then presented with awards by Union Minister of Finance, P. Chidambaram. Through this series, we are putting the spotlight on the top 30 grassroots innovations that are today changing the face of rural India. Our first story today is of Jai Kisan Sangam, a CRM network developed for farmers by Zuari Holdings. It involves training salahakars or advisors who provide grassroots level information on agricultural and allied activities to farmers across 7 states in central and south India. Let's take a look at this innovative CRM program developed by Zuari.
Sugar and spice and everything nice. The district of Sangli in southern Maharashtra is a land renowned across Asia for its sugar and turmeric produce. With its weather that is continuously breezy, Sangli has also recently emerged as a hotspot for wind energy generation, with innumerable windmills dotting its countryside today. Making life better for the farmers of Sangli is the Jai Kisan Sangam, a CSR program conceived by Zuari Agrochemicals in April 2005. The program aims to forge better ties with farmers by understanding their needs and providing value-added services to them. It also aims to make farming more profitable for the individual farmer by increasing his net income. This is achieved by offering customized services tailored to the farmer's needs and helping and guiding him to adopt scientific agricultural practices.
Jai Kisan Sangam is an innovation in a kind where a farmer, Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkar and all the services are brought under one umbrella. So, right from his soil analysis to getting the analysis report on a website, this is very big innovation. So, all farmers database, his farm, his soil, his crops, his income levels, everything is bound together. So, this is major innovation which integrated services.
Today, the Jai Kisan Sangam chain of farmer stores have become the heartbeat of information and advisory dissemination for farmers across not just Sangli but Maharashtra and Karnataka as well. Farmers from near and far flock to these stores to receive advisory on everything from soil testing, animal health and family health to agri-input and crop husbandry.
Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkar is a major focal point around which he provides services to farmer, personalized services, number 1. Number 2, customized services, like all farmers doesn't need animal health camps. So, in that area we are designing some other services. Some farmers doesn't need micronutrient, we are providing them only normal NPK analysis. Rich farmers or progressive farmers, they need micronutrient, they need their water analysis. So, all these customized services we are providing to the area specific, crop specific farmers. Record is maintained for all the services given year on year. Record is maintained for soil analysis of that particular farmers year on year. We have 3 laboratories of soil analysis, agriculture development laboratory what we call, at Pune, Bangalore and Tirupati. Technical qualified staff is there through which we can provide any type of analysis for their soil, for their water, for their plant petiole. So, those are important things what we can offer.
For farmers that are not able to make it to the Jai Kisan Sangam store, Zuari Agrochemicals has come up with a unique concept, the Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkar or Jai Kisan Agricultural Advisors. These grassroots level workers form the backbone to a program that ensures periodic interactions and delivery of products and services to the farmers. Each Krishi Salahkar covers a minimum of 30 major farmers across 10 to 12 villages. hence ensuring a coverage of at least 300 farmers per advisor.
This Jai Kisan Krishi Salahgar is a unit, single unit. Under him, he works for 10 villages around him. In each village, he selects 30 farmers, progressive farmers, opinion leaders. He has got fixed tour itinerary. Every week he goes to everybody's house or farm, meets them, finds out their problems, gives solution. Today we have about 300 Jai Kisan Krishi Salahgars, and with these 300 Krishi Salahgars, we are directly in touch with 80-90,000 farmers directly, and indirectly we are in touch for extending our knowledge and services to almost 4 to 5 lakhs people.
The Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkars, a vital component of the Jai Kisan Sangam, are an extremely well-trained and experienced group who are mostly selected from local areas only. They are then trained at the local Agricultural Research Institute to make them sensitive to the technical side of farmers' problems, thus ensuring efficient solutions that are well appreciated by the farming community.
We are very happy that the Jai Kisan Krishi Salahgar they have approached us for this training, and they are doing our job. In fact, they are directly doing and farmers field, and they are directly guiding to the farmers in the district. And what are the problems for the farmers as far as different crops are concerned, mostly agro techniques for different crops.
संगम योजना के जरिए से हम फार्मर को सॉइल टेस्टिंग करके देते हैं, जो कि उसके खेत की सॉइल हम टेस्ट करके देते हैं. इसी के वास्ते जो फार्मर है वो
We do soil testing for farmers under Zuari Sangam scheme. Thus, farmers know what fertilizer to use on a particular crop and its quantity to be used. We also organize crop seminars and farmer meetings through which we educate the farmers about export requirements and all the technicalities of it.
खाद चाहिए, कितना चाहिए, कुछ स्टेज पे क्रॉप के ग्रोइंग स्टेज के मुताबिक कौन सा उसको फर्टिलाइजर डोज चाहिए और उसको कौन सा इंसेक्टिसाइड देना चाहिए और उसको क्या क्या चाहिए, वो सब जानकारी हम फार्मर को देते हैं.
By spreading their reach far and wide, the Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkars have become an important part of not just the farming community but the lives of individual farmers as well. And the farmers themselves trust the Salahkars immensely. With average agricultural yields up over the last few years, the farming community has only good words for the amazing work being done by the Jai Kisan Sangam through its Krishi Salahkars.
कृषि सल्लागार हमें तणनाशक
Zuari's agri advisors provide us information on insecticides, pesticides, manure, and how to use them. The way they tell us, we do exactly that, and that has helped us achieve good
हम
results.
इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं और उसका हमें अच्छी तरह से रिजल्ट आ जाता है.
It is this commitment to the cause of the farmers that ensures that the Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkars reach even the remotest of remote locations to interact with farmers. Come rain or sunshine, the farmers can definitely rely on the Jai Kisan Krishi Salahkars as their true friends in times of need.